Last year, our visitor count was 843,000. People come all the time and they want to know our business model, and we don't have a business model. We don't have budgets. We just build, and we're fortunate that people come and find it exciting. The City Museum started in 1997 with Bob Castley and his wife, Gail Castley. The museum part's kind of confuse you, more of an amusement or an evolving sculpture, if you will. The building was once owned by the International Shoe Company. This was the warehouse. Across the street was the headquarters. Tennessee Williams worked here when he wrote The Glass Menagerie. The Alton Giant was the spokesperson for the company. And Bob liked it because it was a commercial building, so it's solid concrete. So we're able to cut holes and just do things you couldn't do in a normal building. The attractions that are what people want to see most is the roof, which we're on now. We have our big giant praying mantis and our bus that's hanging over 10 stories that you can actually get in and open the door and look down. There's Monstro, which is one of the biggest jungle gyms in the world. It's always rated one of the top. Our cave system, we have 3 spiral slides, 2 of them are 10 stories. And then just climbers everywhere, slides and climbers. Bob saw multiple uses for everything. He was very good at it. And in fact, he said that he didn't design City Museum, thousands of designers before him did, because he was using their materials to create his objects. The design process, when Bob was alive, Bob would come up with everything. It was his idea, and then he had a crew that worked behind him to build the stuff. Now, in the absence of Bob, we build as a collective. So I kind of identify areas that could use a new attraction, and then we have a crew of about 12 or 13 that start submitting ideas, or I give them proposals. These guys that build our stuff, they had worked with Bob, some of them for over 30 years, so there's still a lot of Bob in them and design qualities that he taught us. Like I'll say, hey, how about we build this 10-story spiral slide? And then they'll be like, yeah, that's cool, but it'd be cooler if we did this, and they add some extra loops. So yeah, we have a group that we work with. I think what people like about City Museum is that we're always changing, we're always building. I mean, there's miles and miles of tunnels within the museum. There's the cross from the Alexian Brothers Hospital, that's where The Exorcist took place. We have 10 stories and then 2 stories on the roof to add to, and then half a roof that we can build a garden on. So I hope it invokes some kind of design. I know that it's spawned some museums like us. People want to give away their crap, so it's easy to get stuff. I think the fact that we're always adding attractions and just kind of pushing those limits, that's what people want to see.